To run TESTcalcs, Java has to be installed in your browser. Firefox is the preferred browser. So you go to the website thermofluids.net and log in as a student and go to the TESTcalcs tab. Let's open up a TESTcalcs. Let's say we are trying to find properties of Steam, which is PC model. Click there. And an animation appears as the default tab of the TESTcalcs page. Of course, examples page will work, discussion tab will work. But if Java is not installed, you cannot really launch the TESTcalcs. The warning sign says so. So what you got to do is to first download Java. For that, we go to java.com and download the executable file, save file. In this case, it is stored automatically in the download folder, which if you click on this PC, you should find download folder, and here it is, Java setup. Let's click the executable file. You say yes, and install. The installation starts automatically. Now that Java is installed, you have to restart Firefox. So we close it and open it again. Go back to thermofluids.net, TESTcalcs, system states, PC model, and let's go launch the TESTcalcs. And you have to click this Lego button over there, and the default is block plugin. You have to make sure allow and remember is selected and say OK. Run, and bingo, here we go, the TESTcalcs appears. In case it doesn't appear in your browser, click the options, go to the options go to the Add on page and make sure that Java appears here, Java Development Toolkit, and Ask to Activate is selected instead of Never Activate. That's all. Enjoy the TESTcalcs.